What?
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with Jetty, and we're playing airplane.
No! No!
Okay, come on, Jetty. Go on, Casey. Oh, also we're here with Lily, but she's not playing with us.
Can they hear me?
Yeah, they can.
Oh.
It's just gonna be us, I guess.
Okay. If one of us dies, we're gonna like.
We won't die.
I highly doubt that. Or just tell me the surprise. Call me what? Text me
Lily,
when the.
this is the surprise.
Oh, then bye.
Okay, bye. How rude.
Where'd you go? Oh, you're sitting.
Nice. Alright. Enough chatting. Yeah, more muscles. Less chatting, more muscles.
I'm so. Oh.
Did we just do a barrel roll? Yeah, we did. Thank you for your cooperation.
Cooperation? Did you just say cooperation?
Cooperation. Welcome to the presidential airplane. Oh, he's so short.
I know.
This looks like some interesting water.
Wonder what will happen to the water.
The president is very special. He gets mad very easy. Okay, it's great to know. Take a glass of water while we wait.
Oh,
Jenny!
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Oh my god! Look at this mess.
God.
Quick, let's clean this mess with our broom, not a mop, a broom.
What is a broom gonna do? How do we clean it? Oh,
sweep the water.
just like.
You have to click. Great.
Great, it's clean.
The cups are still on the floor.
Yeah, there's just like broken glass everywhere.
Welcome to my airplane.
Ronald Dummy.
My name is Ronald. I'm the president of the Robloxia States. It's Roblox Trump. Hooray.
It's Ronald Trump.
Ronald, by the way, my dad is single. Is not ready yet.
I want to cook so bad.
I believe the chef messed up.
What?
What? Throw that chef off this plane. Food is ready.
I just put a whole raw fish in there? Yum.
Everyone take a seat. Oh, drools cutely. Aw, so cutesy, so romantic.
Welcome to the computer.
Good luck, hackers.
Oh.
Make all the screens yellow. Bro, this is so easy. You just click them until they turn yellow. Wow, we're such good hackers, Jetty.
Wow, we had to turn all the screens yellow. So hard.
Jetty. Jetty. I'm trying to save him from my dad. For very special guests, I will let you sleep in my presidential bedroom.
Where's he gonna sleep?
Hooray! Jetty, we're gonna share a bed. For some reason, I can't find the keys. Can you look for them? They should be somewhere around here.
It says I'm saying
Why are you saying
it? Great! Let's open the toilet. What? Okay.
Time to get comfy. Jenny! Jenny, this is a kid's channel. Jenny! You and your sexy Justin Bieber bikini. I can't sleep.
There's just something about this flight that scares me.
I feel a little bit off.
Guys, The curtain. Oh my god, the monster.
The monster.
The monster. Did you forget about me so early?
So early? Oh yes. We can't run away from the monster yet. We gotta have a conversation first.
Why is there just like a wall of fire though? I know.
Pilot Keely. Hey guys, I'm glad you picked up.
Something terrible
Is
is happening.
happening.
You don't say.
So cliche. I can't tell you much through the phone. I need you guys to come to the pilot cabin.
Oh no.
Huh? Where is he? Oh! I'm at the pilot room! What do I do? Jenny just, oh my god, he got me. I lost health. I'm not dead, but I lost health. What do we do? I'm at the pilot room! Oh my god, he's teleporting. What? Jenny! No! Go in the corner. No. He's following you. Ah! Jenny, no! Bro, he was... He teleported, he's gonna go to... Oh my god!
Jetty, you know what they say? Boys are only mean to you because they like you.
What?
I think he likes you.
Yeah, he's literally torturing us if he likes us. I'm also a secret agent.
Secret agent.
And I know a lot about this.
Oh, right.
He once used to be a human, but he had no friends. As a matter of fact, no one ever liked him.
Good.
And there was something about planes. He was always so obsessed with planes in a scary way. He liked to read news about plane crashes.
He liked plane crashes? OMG, I would have never guessed.
What?
So he tried to make a plane crash himself.
Luckily, he died of a heart attack the day he was about to do it. Spirit still chases people like you because he blames you for his death.
You for his death.
Now that
you
you
know
know
the
story about the monster, you must know he can take any shape. He could be any agent or even the president, but I'm not sure yet.
Take this gun.
You only have one chance. Discover him and kill him. I will
do it. Alright. Good luck, guys. Let us in.
Let me in, please. Oh my gosh. Why am I in the back?
We've been looking. I'll be Ronald, you be the agent, okay? There you are. We've been looking for you. It's over. We've discovered you, monster. Wait. Put that gun down. What are you doing? We know about the plan to kill us. We know one of you is the monster. Jenny just turned.
You're making a huge mistake.
Am I?
We are not the monsters.
Ooh, Jenny. Alright, which one? President or
Agent.
Agent?
No, president.
Okay, president. I think it's the president.
I think it's the agent, but I'm still gonna.
The gun.
Oh.
Ooh.
The screen is shaking so much. I don't trust you. Like I said, you made a huge mistake.
Oh my god, it is the agent.
Bum, bum, bum.
Right?
Is that it?
Oh my god.
Oh no.
I thought
What
it
did
was
I
it.
do? You are the monster. It's funny how you keep calling me. But look at what you did. My voice. All of you are the real monsters.
Monster.
Now I can drink your soul. What?
You just squatted in the back.
Why is he taking our souls? What?
Oh. Oh no, Jetty, we died.
No.
Airplane 2.
Yay!
Whoa.